Let me also record the session. So I have Santosh Pandeyji, Jinal Shah, I think, correct? You're able to see
Yes,
the
sir.
screen? Yeah, I think you're able to see the screen, right?
Yes, sir.
So this is the date wise. If you can see here, you can see the dates of the level dates and the strike price and the levels, right?
Okay.
So if the price, if this is the strike price, okay, you will get this data one day before. Okay, we will be feeding the data. We will be feeding the previous day's data, open, high, low, close, and then the open interest also. Okay, basis that we arrive with this Excel or data, which will give us the entry levels. For example,
Okay.
12th of December, you will
Okay.
see strike price 52,100 call. If it
Okay.
crosses above 1,186.9, we will enter. Let us go to the charts. You will understand better. Okay. So strike price is 52,100, correct? Let me
Correct.
add this to the chart. 52,100 see data December month. And there is put also 51,900 put. 51,900 P December.
Which date, sir?
51,900. This is 2nd December. You can check if you
Okay.
want to. Yeah. I've already shared it in the WhatsApp. You can check it those. Already I have shared it. So 2nd December, we did not actually have any entry. What does the data say? 52,100 call. If it moves above 1,186, we'll buy. Call high itself is 1,033. I think you can see on the top. Correct?
Hmm.
Request to mute yourself unless you want to talk something, please. It may disturb the other people. So here,
Sir,
if you see,
your Excel is only visible. The chart is not visible, sir.
you want the chart to be visible. Okay. Okay. Now you'll see. No, you can check it. You have the charts with you, no? You have a Zero the app. You have many apps you can cross check. 2nd December you just put the daily का डेट अब देखो आप पता चल जाएगा उसमें कुछ भी नहीं है मैं तो व्हाट्सएप में दे दिया है उसको ना पूरा this entire
Okay.
Excel data I have shared it in the WhatsApp anyway so I'll have to keep twisting then that if you ask me so now how do I tell let me want me to copy give me a minute if you want me to share let me इसको मैं पूरा इधर शीट पर कैसा कॉपी करना पड़ेगा so which any particular date you want to check you please tell me then accordingly we'll check those dates will that be better because otherwise
4 December.
4th of December okay you are able to see this right
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
okay I will just copy into the chart itself and then I'll show you okay so now I'll share the chart there is no requirement of any analysis on the chart so this is the data 4th of December Excel sheet I copied into the chart so that it becomes easy for us to check. What does it say? 52,700 call. We will buy 2 lots if it price moves above 1032. Correct? You're able to see this?
Yes, sir.
And 52,300 put we will buy if it moves above 903. Correct?
Correct.
Okay. You can check in your mobile also. I will add 52,700. What is 52,700 call and 52,300 put? Okay. Banknifty 52,700 see December call and 52,300 put correct
Sir,
300
is it monthly expiry, sir?
sir I think Bank Nifty right now we have only monthly expiry We
Okay.
don't have weekly expiry now. So only
Okay.
bank
The lot size is 15, sir.
So that you can check. No, sir.
No. Just I just want to confirm that,
Yes,
sir.
yes, it is 15. Okay, so now what does it say? 52,700 call we will buy only if it crosses 1032. Date is 4th
Okay, fine.
December, right?
Right, right.
Okay. So we will go to 4th December. What is the high?
High price is 695.
Okay. So what is our entry price?
1032.
Okay. So is there an entry?
No, sir.
No entry. Now what is the puts entry? 5230 put. We will enter if it crosses 903.
903.
Okay. What date? 4th December. 4th December has a price crossed 903. Sorry, 4th December. No, sorry. 4th December 552 300. Correct? 52 300 put. 4th December 52 300 put. Has it crossed 903? No. So there was no
No,
trade,
sir.
right?
Okay.
There is no
In
trade at
which
all.
date the trade executed just example for so me,
Okay.
sir. So,
The
sir.
date which was example. Okay. I understood.
Yeah.
Actually, 4th December 52 700 is executed. 1 minute. I think I am looking at wrong strikes. 4th
That's why
December.
I saw that on that day it was
It
triggered,
is
sir.
executed, no? Sorry, I checked the
Yeah.
wrong date. 52. You're able to see the chart. What is the high?
Yes. High is 1297.
Okay. What is our entry?
1032.
Okay. So that means the trade executed. You go to your shorter time frame if you want, maybe, but again, okay, 4th December. No, we'll go to 15 minutes chart. 4th December. We will go check. So 915, what was the price? 1032.
1032. Just mark a line above 1032, sir. That will be
That's
great.
it. 1032.
Horizontal line or horizontal ray.
1032. No, 1032. Okay, 1032.
Alt edge, sir.
1 minute.
Right.
1 minute. I'll just do 1032.
32.
What time is it executed? In this particular candle around 10 o'clock or
10
some, I
o'clock,
think
sir.
9:45 it is executed. It went
Okay.
to high from 1032, it went to 1071 and again came down, again went to 1093, came down to 1980 also. Is a stop loss hit? The stop loss is 679. No, 679 is the stop loss, which is slight low. I think there is a, okay. So now normally 100 points will keep, right? From here to here, it is
What will
came
be the
down
target,
to
sir?
980. Target
Sir,
is
target.
1549. You can keep
Okay.
200 points. See, whatever target is given, this will be first, second targets. You can keep 100 points first target or 150 and 250 second target normally. So high around 1130, it made 1154. And then I think subsequently there was a high made of 2 o'clock. It is gone to 1276 also. So what we generally do is we will keep a target, first target, we'll keep about 150 points, okay, for first lot, so that we are in the safer side. So 100 to 150 in Bank Nifty is good. So somewhere here we will exit. So our entry is 1032, we will exit one lot here. So that even if my stop loss hits, I'm not in a loss that day. Understood? It depends
Sir,
on
one
your
doubt
risk
is there.
appetite. It depends on each
Sir,
one's
one
risk
doubt.
appetite.
Sir,
It depends.
excuse me, sir.
Yeah, well, I'll come to your point. Let me complete. I'm trying to explain something to
Okay,
the audience.
fine. Okay,
So
sir.
what
You go
I
through.
recommend is first target, keep 150 points, book it. So that even if the second one you hit, the second lot hits your stop loss, you will not lose your capital. Capital importance is important. Capital, keeping your capital safe is important. Okay. Now, what we'll do, we will exit somewhere at 150 or around 100 or 150. We exited. It came down again. What is the high made? Somewhere at 1,280, which is almost about 200 to 250 points in the same day. It may not be same every day. Okay, it may vary. It depends on the market conditions. We cannot control the market. Whatever market is doing, we just follow. And we are here to make profit. We are not here to say that market many people try to say that okay, market will go up, market will go down. We are not here to do that. We just want to just make some profit. Okay. So here the simple thing is you don't have much of analysis to be done, charts, data. That entry is given, the stop loss is given, target is given. Just follow it, religiously. In 1 week or 5 days, 5 trading days, you will get 3 to 4 trades in that week. Understand, right? In 2nd December, there was no trade. 3rd December, there was a trade. I'll show you the Excel ones. I have already shared this data, but I'm just showing it again. I have already sent the data to you on what. In fact, for Monday, I have done this for mid cap. I have done this for BankX, Nifty. Nifty, I did not do because there are weekly expiries. So there are some changes and all, which I didn't want to take that risk. For me, Banknifty itself was enough. Actually, I don't need to trade all indices, right? So this is the
Sir,
data.
I have a question, sir.
Yes, sir.
I have a question. Can I ask, sir?
Yes, sir.
Sir, you are giving the target, but the target is not reached on that day. Okay,
Right.
Is it intraday or it is a carryover trade, sir?
So how much target you think in Banknifty is sufficient for a day?
No, sir, I don't think I don't know anything, sir. Actually, you have given the target. That's why I am asking,
normally, that's what I explained. I think you didn't listen. First target,
and I
would recommend.
listen, sir. You told the target is 100 and 150.
First,
But the
first
stop
lot,
loss,
yes. First lot, we will keep.
Stop loss is very high, na, sir. On that scenario, if you'll get 2
It
to
will not
3
hit, sir.
trades
You can check.
positively.
You don't do the trade only. No, you just do the back testing of the entire data. I will give you the data every day.
I know, sir, but when the time will come about entry, that will be some other moment, na, sir. That's why I am asking.
Okay, understanding your point. The stop loss and the target is 1:1 normally. Okay. 1:1 to 1:2. Okay. Now you are worried about your stop loss, right?
Okay. Yes,
Why
sir.
do we keep a
Yes.
stop loss? My question now, I'll come back. Why do we keep the stop loss?
To save our money, sir. Risk reward money management. That's why
Right.
we have to keep the
what
stop.
is the risk you're taking? 1:1.
Okay. Yes.
Okay. What is my recommendation?
Your recommendation when price crosses over the price we
correct.
will
And then first
put the
target,
trade.
I'm telling 100 points, you book one lot. Why am I telling? Second lot, even if it comes hit your stop loss, you are not at loss. You become break even. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Do this for not 1 month also. Do it for 10 days. In 10 days, according to my observation, 8 days the targets you will be profitable. Maybe one day your stop loss will get hit. The one of the days it does, because I have checked this data. I have sent this data. You check. One of the days it went 100 points and has come down. Okay. So you can check. I'm not telling. I'm not here to claim that
No, sir. No, sir. Actually, you are doing a great job. That's why if there is any query, we have to ask, na, sir.
Okay. No, I'm explaining, sir. I'm not saying. I'm not telling. I'm openly
this is
telling
your
you.
data. Sir, this is your data. You are very much confident about your data. I am
Right.
agree with
Now,
you, sir.
now let's go ahead and see. See, this is my observation. On this 2nd of December, it has not hit. There was no entry.
Okay.
3rd of December, it has hit 1,137. High was 1,300. Request to mute unless anybody wants to talk. It may disturb the other people in the group. Okay. Now, 4th of December, 1,297. 5th, I think it hit around 1,500, if I'm right. Let's look at 53,300. Any idea what is the high made of 53,300 on 5th December? Anybody can check and tell me? I'll check in the mobile and tell you. You can cross check if I'm right or wrong. Give me 1 minute because I don't want to take away everybody's time in
Sir, one question, sir. That is great. Can I ask, sir?
1 moment, sir. I'm checking something.
Okay.
53,700. 53,200, 53, 5th of December. Right. Okay. 1 moment. 5th of December, market was reddish. Okay. So we will see the put side. 53. Let me copy this. Any date you want to check, or shall I take a random date and check? I've already put my comments in this. All of the dates except two trades, I think 2 days, it has not worked. You're able to see the Excel sheet, right? All of you are able to see the Excel sheet? Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
All
Yes,
of
sir.
you?
Yes, sir.
अंकुर जी 5th
Yes, sir.
10th of December एंट्री नहीं आया है 10th of December नहीं आया है 2nd of December एंट्री नहीं आया है other days
Yes.
entries have come and almost hit 200 plus points. That is why I mentioned that 200 in the last 1 week. I think all of them have given 200 points.
Okay.
Somebody had a question. What was the question? Sorry.
Sir, मेरा question, sir, can I have talk in Hindi, sir? It will be great for me.
Please go ahead with the question, sir. I will try and speak in Hindi. Yeah.
नहीं सर, एक्चुअली अभी जो आप बोल रहे हैं ना सर, 100, 150, 200,
हाँ
तो
जी।
एक डिसिप्लिन में काम करना पड़ेगा ना सर। अभी मान लीजिए कि 100 मेरा टारगेट है, तो 100 में फर्स्ट लॉट निकालना है। 150
Right.
मेरा सेकंड टारगेट है, तो 150 में निकालना है। मान लीजिए
Okay.
आपका टारगेट तो 500-600 पॉइंट है, बहुत अच्छा
Okay.
है सर, मगर वो
Right.
500-600 पकड़ने के लिए वी हैव टू ट्रेड 4 to 5 लॉट्स सर, कि वो टारगेट को
Why?
केस करने के लिए। टारगेट, वो जो टारगेट आपने दिया है ना सर, वो टारगेट को
You
केस
can,
करने के लिए तो
sir.
सर,
You can trade with 10 lots also. Okay.
हाँ इसीलिए सर मैं
In the beginning of the month, when you're joining
सर
my subscription, okay,
सर
I am giving a recommendation for your safety.
ओके
गवर्नमेंट
फाइन,
बोलता
दैट
है
विल बी ग्रेट।
गवर्नमेंट बोलता है सीट बेल्ट लगाओ, हेलमेट लगाओ आपके सेफ्टी के लिए। सेम वे
ओके
मैं
फाइन,
बोल रहा हूं आपके सेफ्टी के लिए 2 लॉट से ट्राई करो, एक 15 दिन के लिए। आपका
ओके
कैपिटल
सर।
बढ़ाओ, आपका कैपिटल बढ़ाओ, ठीक है
स्टॉप लॉस इज वेरी हाई
सर।
ना सर,
सर
300
मैं
200
कुछ बता
पॉइंट्स।
रहा हूँ सर, रिक्वेस्ट मेरा आपसे, आप मुझे बात करने के लिए सर।
सर नहीं ठीक है, ओके कंटिन्यू सर, कंटिन्यू।
तो आई एम रिकमेंडिंग इनिशियली विथ 2 लॉट्स। वंस योर कैपिटल इंक्रीजेस, ओके, आपका अभी आपने 20,000 से ट्रेड कर रहे हैं, समझो आप 25,000 से ट्रेड कर रहे हैं, आपका कैपिटल बना 50,000, ठीक है। देन आई वुड सजेस्ट रिमूव फर्स्ट योर कैपिटल आउट, जो प्रॉफिट है उसमें ट्रेड करो, ठीक है। जो प्रॉफिट आपने बनाया है यू ट्रेड इन दैट। व्हाट इज दैट? अराउंड 20,000। take out that also. Once you are more profitable, take out. Once you have like done around 50,000, 1 lakh profit, then you take risk, right? Is everybody agreeing what I'm saying? Is it a good strategy or is a bad strategy?
Sir, I have a question. Sorry, I am late also.
Sir, I'm asking one question. I have a request if any people answer my question, and then
Okay.
I will see, because I'm trying to communicate
sure.
something to you all, right? If you allow me to, anyway, you go ahead with your question.
Sure,
So I have
sir.
answered your point. I think Santosh ji आपको समझ आ रहा है, I think.
yes
मैं
sir, समझ गया sir. Thank you sir.
yeah,
Actually I got that sir. Thank you.
yes, my recommendation is आप पहले आपका आपका कैपिटल
Actually,
बढ़ाइए.
sir, no, you told na sir, you told your support will be there on the same market live trade. That will
Right.
be great, sir. If you will exit on, if you will get any signal that
Once you
market will
join, sir,
come down.
once you are subscribing for 15 days, you will see
Okay,
some slow progress, right? Don't get
okay, sir.
aggressive. अभी हम I don't want to become an World Cup कल. I don't want to go on the field and start hitting
Yes, yes.
sixers on the first ball. I'm
Sir,
asking
sir,
you, play
your
defensive.
calls are very nice, sir. I watched it before also. That is great. No doubt on that, sir. Okay, you are doing something means that will be great. I know, sir. Actually, I am watching from since last 1 to 2 years from your calls, sir. That is great.
Okay, thank you, sir. So my I think you all understand what I'm trying to say. First आप first match में या first over में defensive जाइएगा. Second
Sir,
over you can go aggressive. That is my recommendation. Now, this is my humble request and recommendation to all. People suddenly come into market. Uh, I'm muting all because I think. So anyway, any questions for others have, please? Rajendra, I think you were asking question. If I'm
Yes,
right.
yes, yes. Sorry sir, I am थोड़ा लेट हो गया मैं. Actually एंट्री नहीं समझ पाया मैं कि एंट्री कहाँ पे लेनी थी.
Okay. Any particular date you want to check, sir?
सर कोई भी एक बता दीजिए. थोड़ा सा लेट था तो मुझे लग रहा है कि उसकी वजह से
Okay.
बाकी चीजें समझ में आ
Here,
गई कि रिस्क
here,
रिवार्ड है.
13 December देखिए sir. 13 December.
okay. Rajendra ji, what we do is this I will be sharing on around 9 o'clock or 8:30 or whatever time before the market opens. Okay. Here, all you need to do is keep the strike price 53,400 for 13th December. 53,400 call का strike price लगाइए. 53,300 put का strike price लगाइए. You can buy, either you can put an alert at 890. So you get an alert that the price has crossed 890. So around 819 or 800, you can keep it at 810 for 53,400. See, that depends on how whether you're watching all the time. So you can keep alerts. So around 590 put का alert डालिए, 5,300 call का alert रखिए आपका मोबाइल पे. So the moment it gives an alert,
ट्रिगर
check if
प्राइस
it
भी
is
तो रख
crossed.
सकते हैं ना. ट्रिगर प्राइस भी रख सकते हैं.
You can keep a buy stop loss order also, but do you have that sufficient capital for keeping both call side and put side? I don't know. That is where I said alert. Okay.
ओके ओके.
Now you can. Anyways, if you are watching, you can quit as if you see that market is bullish hai. So 53,400, you expect that call side can trigger. You can keep a stop loss order around 890. So buy stop. So automatically it'll get trigger. Keep a stop loss for 552 for both the lots. When it crosses, now our entry is 819. Okay. The target, of course, is little aggressive. This is the second or third target. Actually, I'm since I couldn't put a screen here. I mean, so your first target, I recommend around 150. Okay. So first lot आप book कर लो. 150 आते हैं, book कर लीजिएगा. Second वाले को you keep a stop loss. You can, instead of 552, you can keep a stop loss for 750 or something, some 50 points. So even if you lose 50 points, you still can gain of 100 points. Okay. And wait for the final second target or final target. I will probably put another target, first target 1, 2, 3. First target I will put normally 150 to 180. Okay. Second will be a little aggressive depending on the market. Again, see, थोड़ा market का price action volatility you should understand. Okay. See, this sheet also is based on the volatility, open interest data, everything here. Pre-calculated. So basis the previous day's data and the market condition, I will give the first target, second targets. So accordingly, we can trade. But I will try and make it more exhaustive because I'm just working on this for people who are working, okay, who are not able to be watching the screen all the time. Many people came and said, sir, I'm a little scalper also. I will also trade for 50-80 points in Bank Nifty as well. ठीक है? Scalping is quick trades. आप लेना है immediate exit करते हैं. So I am also keeping. So now I am trying to work on people where based on previous days data, charts, everything, we will have some. But these, let me tell you, sometimes there is no entry at all. Like example here on 2nd of December, there was no entry. Okay? 7th of December, there was no entry either on the call and put. 10th of December, there is no entry either on call and put. Right? But all other days, I think there was entries. And almost 200 points average is what I observed. Some days, it has gone more than that. Same way, I can give for mid cap or Fin Nifty as well. Fin Nifty is a better choice, is what I observed. BankX and Fin Nifty. I can give, but keeping too many is something which I don't recommend. I'm working only on Bank Nifty. But I have the data not just for Bank Nifty. I have for mid cap. I have for Fin Nifty. I have for BankX, Sensex, everything. But expiry time, it will be a little risky. That is the reason Nifty I have taken it out, because there is a weekly expiry in Nifty and Sensex. Premium killing will be too high. People tend to wait for bigger targets. Stop loss, forget about stop loss. The risk will be high. That's the main my reason I am not working. But I still have worked on that also. Sensex also I have. I have back tested on 20th December. It worked. For Sensex, I have tested. For Nifty, Fin Nifty, all the entire month I have tested. This actually testing was done from 2-3 months, but because of I observed due to weekly expiries, these were getting very tough. There was last month there was weekly expiry, previous month weekly expiry. So क्या हो रहा था? I will have to take the next week expiry. So there, sometimes entry doesn't come. But now we have monthly expiry, so it is working very well for us. Okay. Any other questions? Sorry, we have 10 minutes for the session to close.
वन मोर क्वेश्चन कि ये जो आपने प्राइस लिखा हुआ है सर, वो कहाँ से निकाल रहे हैं कि इसके अबव जाएगा तो ले सकते हैं? वो प्राइस आप देंगे या फिर कुछ लॉजिक, मतलब हम लोग
Logic with
समझ
logic,
पाएंगे?
I told you, this is the data. I give the entries of the previous day. For example, tomorrow is what date?
मंडे.
23rd, no? So 22nd, Friday का data मैं इधर डालता हूँ. Open, high, low, close. Then I will figure out what are the strike prices which is better. Previous day का सब data डालता हूँ. Then I will look at open interest. I have open interest here. So I will take the open interest data. I will copy it here, make this data, and then give you this data out. So output will be based on data, charts, everything.
सर ये सीट हमें मिलेगी डेली, कैसे क्या होगा?
I will give you that data to trade. आपको sheet देंगे, हाँ. Every day I'll give you that day's particular entry exit. Entire sheet if you want I'll give you, but on a daily basis. पूरा वीक का एक ही बार नहीं मिलेगा. अभी सब मंडे का आज दूंगा, ट्यूसडे का कल शाम को दूंगा, और early morning around Tuesday I will give you, or late night in the evening once I have the entire data ready, because I need to get this previous data, no? I need to get the data from the NSE website. You know where the data comes from, no? NSE website को पता है ना ये. This is the NSE website, so I need this data. So I take this data and then feed into this thing system Excel, and then I get the calculations. I get this output. तो आपको ये output मिलेगा एक दिन पहले. And this, there will be no changes the entire day. If it doesn't come, we will just wait. Apart from that, if there is some changes in between around 10 or 10:30, if there is any change in the volatility I observe, I'll give a different, but we will wait for these entries only. So for example, I'll tell you, this is Fridays. You check Friday, the entry came around 12 or 1 o'clock, if I'm right. So sometimes the entry doesn't come till 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock also. We will wait. समझ आ रहा है ना आपको? We don't have to hurry. We will just wait. आराम से आ जाएगा. And this entire sheet, as I'm telling, because it's based on previous how the market condition, everything has to be fed and then taken out. I also can calculate based on that particular live day. For example, by 10:15, I can change the data and see it. If it is there are recommendations, then I'll give you. But I normally will go by this only. This is for people who don't want to keep looking at system the entire day. So, and any other doubts, Rajendra ji?
सर मान लीजिए कि आपने जो डाटा दिया वो मार्केट खुलने के टाइम में वो रेट के ऊपर में चल रहा है तो क्या करेंगे सर?
आएगा, फिर भी आएगा.
एवोइड करेंगे.
It will come still. There was one particular day. Good question. There is one particular day. Let me just show you. Let me open the chats. 1 minute. So one of the days, the market actually opened gap down, gap up, I think. Okay. एक दिन, 1 minute. So in one particular day, there was a gap up opening or something, but still the entry came. But if it doesn't come, you don't have to go and chase. Example here, I think in this particular day, gap down आया था 19 December, right? You are able to see the screen? 19 December gap down आया था.
यस सर. हाँ हाँ.
You see the Excel sheet. I'll show you the Excel sheet. आप WhatsApp खोल सकते हैं सर. आपका एंट्री बोल सकते हैं मुझे 19 दिसंबर का 52,700 and 5200 पुट है. आप एक्सेल WhatsApp में भेजा.
18 दिसंबर का ना. हाँ सर. 52,800 400 सी 18 सितंबर का.
या
53,400 सी.
15 दिसंबर
15 का ना.
नहीं, कौन सा
18 का ना सर बोला है.
18 का बोल रहे
18 का
ना.
सर.
ओके.
हाँ हाँ.
53,400 ना.
53,400 कॉल.
400 कॉल, करेक्ट.
662 में. हाँ 662.
एंड पुट वाला
पुट वाला ना सर. पुट
हाँ.
वाला है 52,800 पुट.
ओके. व्हाट वाज द एंट्री फॉर व्हाट डेट? सॉरी, कौन सा डेट में बोला?
18 सर. 18
दिसंबर ना. ये था 18 दिसंबर. ये है 53,400 का कॉल. एंट्री क्या दिया है उस दिन?
एंट्री उसका 662.
एंट्री आया है 662 उस दिन? नहीं आया है. हाई 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 इज ओनली 355. 53,400 ना. पक्का बोल रहे हैं ना आप?
हाँ
सही. हाँ, 18
हाँ
दिसंबर
हाँ
ना.
पक्का है.
ओके.
हाँ
18 दिसंबर. तो पुट वाला 18 दिसंबर क्या एंट्री दिया है?
पुट वाला 52,800 पी 519.
519 मीन्स 5 how much?
519.
519. So
519.
open was 474. High made is 962. So even though there was a gap down open, okay, we got a put entry. I will go to 15 minutes chart if you want to. 18 December. 18 December ना. हाँ. So what was the entry? Price entry?
582.
So first candle में ही almost, yeah,
Sorry
first
sir.
candle.
18 December 519 sir. 519. Sorry 519.
Okay, first 15 minutes में ही itself has come. What is the stop loss for this? 450, 450 low था, 444 low था. Okay, first 15 minutes I think it has come. Let's see. 519 ना. 18 December
हाँ
ना. 18 December is पीछे. हाँ.
519.
So yeah. So around I think 519 first candle में ही entry आया है. So if you are able to take that trade so quickly, it is good. Or if you even if you miss this trade, आपको फिर से एक एंट्री आया है यहाँ पे 950 को और एक बार एंट्री आया ना.
हाँ सर.
915, 945, 950. ठीक है, इफ यू हैव मिस दैट एंट्री, यहाँ पर आपको एंट्री मिला 519, यू ये गया 830, उसके ऊपर 519 से 800 इज गुड ना फ्रॉम हियर.
Good, sir.
Even if you have to get this 915, it has come down to 444, that is around 60 points down. 60 points is not a big problem, you can still hold it. 180 points तो आप लगे, because 1:1 आप देख रहे तो ये गया है. इनफैक्ट high made is 950, 960. So even if there is a gap down, gap up, you will get the trade. But yes, it is better to wait, because now 915 to 920, always there will be huge volatility, because the previous day there will be lot of what is that, the retailers, they will have their open positions, they will be exiting, so volatility will be high normally between 915 to 920. So even otherwise, you will still get the trade. You got a good decent movement, though there is gap down in the put side, but call side entry nahi aaya usse. Market would have recovered, but there was no entry. Right, 18th December आपको entry नहीं मिला उस दिन.
हाँ sir, हाँ.
18 December, 19 December. 19 December सर, आप 18 December बोल रहे हैं, मुझे 19 December पूछा मैं. ये गैप डाउन था. ठीक है, आपको डेटा तो दिया है, आप एक बार चेक करिएगा. इफ यू ऑल हैव डाउट्स, you can check, and if you are interested for a week or 10 days trial, I will share, but there'll be some nominal fee which we will discuss, and then we will wait and try. And if you feel that you can continue for the whole month or another 15 days, I will still share that sheet.